To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Heart signed and sealed. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. Years, tears. Now I know what it means. You could have called it quits and one. So easy for you to find a rich man.
So, babe,
Hey, fun.
what you gonna do today?
Well, you know, some of us are gonna play some video game and chill back a little and then finish study for the exam. Because I have some exam will come up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I just basically that I do today.
And that not sound bad. Proud of you, you know.
Thanks, son.
Yeah.
Look like you're late though.
Yeah, go hammer this.
Wait, take your time.
Let me get my hair out.
Okay. I don't know, be like, not really used to them in life, I do way. Woman I take care of me and I do all type of them something there. I never grow so. My mother grow up to be an independent young man.
Yeah, I understand that. And as a man, you know you go on like, stand for your boy. Stop worrying about that now. Because you know, I'm proud of you same way.
I really appreciate it still for you help me out and like, I love that.
You know, I got you.
I got you
Got
too.
to be. Sure.
Yeah.
So, you never stop there somebody. You know my body ticklish.
Yeah, fun, get ready, because I know I'm late, you know.
Yeah, because you go walk with me out and look at
Yeah,
me.
man, of course.
Button that one for me, please.
Alright, babe. Is something else?
You think of them too fat, man?
No, man, this is something else.
So how me look?
Look awesome.
Alright, you ready now?
Your work outfit fit him and I'll tell you.
Thank you.
Get your bag on me follow you go, so.
Alright. What's wrong?
Open.
Then I work today?
Yes,
Come on, I'm gonna fall.
I just come from the gym, but I go clock in and then I go get ready and come back.
Girl, you need to hurry up because I tell her say a tree somebody drop down. And I know why you're late because 2 days you're late and I don't want your name go up on the card. Can nobody not hear you? You know we alone out here.
My name not go panic yard, but I just hurry up do what I have to do. I just clock in. You know for me.
Oh. Well, I say, I'm not going to get out of my
So
vehicle,
when you
you
say,
know.
a whole heap of patient today?
Girl, whole heap of patient. I tell you, say, 3, somebody drop down, 2 faint and 5 dead, girl. A
Oh,
things
Jesus.
are going on with short staff.
They need to hire our people need to go nursing school to come take over some of work because we alone can't do it.
It's really
too much.
pressuring, girl. But I said, I come off from my vehicle for you know, because I need to go back in because you know them iggy and stay when we're late and when they not sweep on the floor.
I think me had a double shift tonight though. Yeah, me I work tonight and work on morning said rain.
Damn, me I come off 2 and I come back 7. You know me not get no rest.
Why me I do that? Because me I forgot gym in the evening. So me I work tonight. Yeah.
And the body are cut. Anyways, girl, we see you inside. We just catch up.
Yeah, man.
We just gonna take care of yourself, girl. You look good.
Yeah, later.
Alright, later.
Thief, man.
Babe.
Hold on, baby. Sit down right there. Sit down right there.
So what? You not give me that?
You can't stand up in front of TV. Sit down right there, no?
Babe.
Hold on.
You never the shoeboard for me and me always a shoeboard pan you. I make you can't give me back the 50 when me give you 50 and we can make it to 100.
Because me I try get the victory in the game, me I try to
But every day you try to get victory, want me to me not want some me time?
Why all the time when me I play a game, you make it look like me not get no attention, you beg me for attention?
Make a controller sound like bug in there.
You know, say this, me do.
Sorry, no, I drop my mic.
No, you disrespect me. If you were tell me some controller sound like bug in there, why you not get me another one then? Because you know me love them, you suck me.
Of course, me buy one baby, should have just tell me.
You know that if you say no, you're talking,
as a matter of fact, me buy it too.
Right.
Because you know me young for you.
So, what you know?
But hold on, you eat from morning?
Never really eat nothing that much.
So you want something to eat?
I don't really want nothing much to eat. Just look about something simple.
Don't worry
yourself. Kind of focus on this and that.
We got to be. Babe.
Yeah, nice.
What's
Nice, man, nice, yeah.
What? Happy wife, happy life. Alright. That is some warm style chicken from my man. Okay. My man. No girl can take my man from me.
Yo, bad boy.
Sure.
Where are you dealing?
Right.
You know, say a song game there I play though.
No,
Where are the tune in for the game now?
as a wife,
Yeah, man, there, yeah. Do that then.
you have to learn to keep your man.
Yeah, man. Check in, man. Alright.
Is key. Which is so bad food. Yeah. Presentation. Babe, me come in. Man. Babe. Here.
So, you could have put like a peanut butter on you or something. You just give me this a dry, so.
Baby, ever so me know you like it dry. Everything me do you make a problem. No matter how me try, you know me heart give you everything you make a problem.
I don't want this, just put something on it. Put some peanut butter on it or people butter. I don't want that.
How old that? Babe,
Yeah?
you don't expect somebody?
Yeah, Travis.
You, what? You good?
I'm Travis.
You good, man. I want to make a promise, sir.
Where come I can do?
Yeah, we check it out. Where are you?
Yeah, dealing.
Pump and scout.
Thing good out.
Man, give me the play, boy.
Everybody, I tell to make me a kicky game and I tell my boy I come over here you.
So we controller there, we second controller there. Woman buy the controller, brother. You buy your controller, bro.
No, you know say me not have a second on it, but soon.
Yeah, she has.
No man, she good man, but you know me a boy, me just love to me.
The controller still sound like a cricket tonight. Remember?
I say a style me do you.
Reality, bro.
You talk about cricket like a night thing.
Yo, how much life you have?
Because
One,
before him
and for me no cat, me not have 9.
Me and him did good, you know. Me and him did good and all of a sudden Travis come.
Mum on the phone.
Babe.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. You like it like that?
Yeah man, you good. Thanks.
Alright, may I come here?
Yeah man.
Where you have that funny?
A peanut butter.
That not peanut butter, bro. That's not like sweetness. Some of the butter, but you think of peanut butter, that?
So I like your style in the youth.
Yo, can't believe someone has taken a woman like this. No, sir.
But she a good wife in the youth, a good woman enough.
Yeah, man. You know that. Good woman. You know, do nothing yet. Or she don't feel like she up on term for this. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Take it. But anyway, long and short of the story is, brother, you're forward. Are you not forward?
When I party?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. Alright, me a forward.
Don't bring her in. Me not say if you bring your woman, I say forward. Because I know, like, me look on you feel like if you bring a woman come my
So you
party.
tell me say me can't carry
No,
side,
I'm virgin, hang out, man, and just would a vibe and would a drink. You make it sound like, say, you know.
So if you carry game, we can play some game the same way.
Jeez, I'm pity most. Brother, we not depend on that. We got hold a vibe, reason with some people, maybe meet some people and just enjoy the day. That's it. Brother, me have friends and far where I come from, and I'm seeing you stress in your eye, them, you know. Enough things are going on and I can't see it, but at the end of the day, you know what I mean? I'm there for you, man. Me a virgin. But then again, I say, push come to shove, I not get paid tomorrow. So, when you're forward, just make sure you bring them, you know, bring some money. Bring like maybe 20,000 and you can buy a buckle.
She me have to get the money from because you know me not have it now.
You know that, man, I tell you this. Because I want to see a nurse, you know. You understand me? I say, fair thing turn up. Better than food things, that's sure shot. And she knows spend money like that. Borrow money for that, man. And thing I make you know, say, boy, and everything will happen. Yo, brother, turn off your cricket now. You can't turn off your cricket now. Jesus Christ, man, you just load. And 9.
Yo, you know, say I buy my woman, so I'll buy my other one too.
No, sir, that. So you play and have fun with that?
See, it's a malfunction too.
That's the one I want to think about it, one call in you. Because you play a game and fling in the wall when you get upset.
What you mean?
What you mean? Brother, if a game in you can't play one game for fun and I go and like say, boy, the world like a end. Brother, turn off the whole thing, man.
Yo, what you do?
Look what is sitting, man.
I'm a game at you with friendship you mash up, you know?
You just, I'm not, brother, no worry yourself, man. She will buy you back one game if you mash up. You know, so she have your covered already, bro. Eh?
I'm a love of my life, this, you know?
Why, bro? That's why I have to carry you tomorrow. Brother, make sure you follow tomorrow, you know? That's how I'm tell you. Because right now, yeah, show me a different vibe. So big up yourself and forward, here?
Yeah, man.
Don't bring your woman. Yeah, you may say?
Come on, man.
Alright.
Babe, how kind of nice that a while ago?
Oh, man, a Travis man just plug out my game a while ago, check controller malfunction.
Plug out your game? I'm simple tell I say, it sound like a bug in there. I had a name off my head. But you're Travis. You know what I mean? Like, bash me hiding something there.
Yeah, but I know.
But being not even eat the food and I want it.
No, I'm nobody want no food right now. Right now, I'm just a want different things.
Oh, that. Tell the people. Me a come. You're not kill a coffee do. Watch ya.
Girl, look what me and knock on the door.
I don't know you way you bang me door, Sabi.
Excuse. Oh my God, what?
No, you live here.
Girl, me not hold on, you go on like see you go on with nothing.
Come on,
You look good, do a girlie.
Bye. Stop it now. Girl.
I'm thirsty. So what I want, tell
You
me
know,
what I
say if you stop
want.
doing something there.
What?
You know the man don't like it. Every time you come with us barging and man
David.
drink out the man drinks and
So what happened to David? What happened? After that. What want for you and David, the relationship, girl?
It is nice at first, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
What?
But it just a change from the other day.
Change how?
Alright, he have a friend named Travis.
Eh?
You deaf? They say I have a friend named Travis.
Wait. My Travis.
I mean,
My
Travis.
a beautiful Travis.
Travis there?
Girl, I know that. I saw me promise.
Then I clearly see.
I'm gonna get.
Girl, I don't see much girl Travis have. Travis the word on you all at the place, girl.
Stop it.
Please
Stop
tell me
it.
say you protect yourself.
But you know Travis have on the place. Leave me man and your man me attack.
Girl, your name stink. Anyways, as me I say you're lucky, you know. Funny me, Travis in does the change and it's like he used to put out 50 and would have put out 50. You know, say 50 and 50 and 100, even though I know you're not really good for the check-in. But
50, 100 we're 100 and add here.
somewhere alright, and then funny me, Travis, the man does a change and me not like that. Me feel so Travis a give woman, cause me know Travis who.
Hey.
I just choose.
Stop it. Where you want broke me and Travis relationship?
Me not really want broke, you know, I kind of want break, you know, cause me know Travis still.
Why you not break for your man? For your man, I give nothing. You don't see your sexy, you didn't look at your belly. And you can't give a pick and make Travis one pick me. I don't really take care of him, but at least me give him one.
Girl, and it's not about the baby, it's about the ring.
So where ring there?
I told me did that cook, watch out. I told me did that cook, you know, me not want to change.
Sorry. So David, oh, gonna the bed, take care. Alright.
A bungalow in a box, right?
Tap it.
You just have to swallow me head.
Excited.
Give me some of your drinks now.
Come here, have in the refrigerator. Give yourself.
I don't know what kind of friend I be sometime, you know.
You know, see, I have something already. Me no have it, and me come and me take. Me drink it.
You're supposed to have because of Travis the mind you.
Look who is talking, eh? Look who is talking. You mind David?
It's not like that, you know.
I like what?
Remember, you know, when me meet David, David is having a nice, clean job. It's just that he wants to send himself to college. I'm better if himself he want the real estate. I'm like that.
You know, say a young girl. You know, do.
Nothing wrong if me mind him now. Me help him to college.
Yam, you go on here until David buck up something what I do. You will never help him to college.
When me back up something, I'm all
nothing
David needs.
You might look by you? Ask me. Answer me. No, you might look by you.
Sometimes. You know something I understand what kind of friend I be?
You have to tell the truth. You have to do like I'm a girl. Love war.
So how you do it?
And go. Lock up your mind. Up yourself.
So you can teach me?
Somewhat ways. No ways. When I go down on the road, you know.
Yeah, go already. You just come and drink all my things. That's how you turn off fast in my business.
Later.
Lock back my door.
Girl.
It's a tough chicken, yeah. Jesus, please.
Girl, one look birdie pitch me and tell me say, the girl tell me to stop my David up there. Be your shoes, be your clothes. She'll pay for the man hairstyle. Who to lie? More than never mind one man. Never in this lifetime in I mind no man. Happy sure.
Question. And where you get fair news them from?
Don't worry about that, I Pinky my name. What you talk about?
Hello, me sister, if you had nothing from me, you know.
Don't
But
worry
anyway,
about
you can't keep that. Yes, I think so too.
Spill the beans.
So you get over such man.
Who name such man?
Who me feel the talk?
Boy, sometimes I can't bother with you, know. Girl, it's hard for me get over it. You understand? So No, nobody can ask me this something about me get over him, because I can't get over him.
Boy, you're fool.
And my man,
And then you talk about Tavia. You talk about Tavia, you wasn't on Tavia. Why me not understand?
I feel that saying in my heart, you say?
Me not understand Uno as young lady. Uno to be like me. Get over man quick and fast.
Okay then, Miss Perfect, Miss Goody Goody. Okay, Sister Pure.
I know pure. It's period.
So how come I come and say no? You can't tell me some worse than Tavia.
No.
You're sick. You're sick.
Hey, don't ramp with me, you know. Don't try that with me again. What the girl, man?
And why bigger one?
That not have nothing to do with me. Me a big woman now.
And why bigger one? You're sick. Eh? You're sick.
Ben, I don't understand. We are dating for over 3 months now. And we are God. Like, everywhere we go, me use my money. Me no make you spend no money at all. Me just a sweat like me an idiot, so. And me can't see you. What do you mean by that? Ben, me want see you. Me miss you. Money again? How much money you want? 20? Alright, if me send a 30, you gonna look for me? Alright, then me go send you here. As me come on 5. It's okay, yeah?
Beautiful sister.
What
Sis,
you want me to
I come to apologize for what happened earlier. I'm sorry if you lick up your mouth, so.
So when you still have touch me more, you apologize and you have touch me no more. Like you want to do it again.
So what you say? Apology accepted or
I
what?
say apologize properly.
Sister, I am very
Call
sorry.
me by my name and do it good. Come.
Marika, I am sorry for the way I behaved with you earlier. Apology accepted. Come here, drink too, juice.
Nah, drink.
Come here, drink, baby. Come on. Come on.
Oh, go on.
Hey,
Yeah, man, no good, man.
guess what?
Oh,
Something done, you know? Ready for you now?
what you talk about?
So, done.
What that?
There's something so me can't take. You know, I can't do now.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, man.
Hey,
Later we can play some football.
we may not talk about no football now. We are talk about favorite time in our room.
Some of them know what you talk about, but
So
me say
where?
later. No, now. I'm busy now.
We need to talk, you know. Some serious talk with you.
Alright, you know, say if you tell you the truth, for another day, I realize say, I don't have a lot of time for you, and I'm really sorry about that. A long time when I talk with you. But that's why if you know, say, I really appreciate you in my life, you know, because you're there for me through thick and thin. You understand? Because when me get run me from my job, you're there with me same way. You understand? I know me I go back to school, try to learn some other things, you know, so you're there with me you spend money and make sure it's schooling good. And I really appreciate that to tell you the truth. So I'm sorry for never give no attention all along, but I'm there now.
I understand. I mean, no service why you're abuse because of stress too. I mean, know you use a game to relieve the stress. I understand, but sometimes we just feel like, see, we just need some more. But I'm proud of you. And I don't want you to feel like, say, you don't have nobody in your corner because you have me.
You know, say you're there with me. You understand, but and the next thing, you know, say, a long time I even go to one party neither.
Not true. Last time we got one party with the enjoy ourselves.
You know, so I did a plan to go up on the road. You know, later on.
Yeah, I have clothes. I have clothes and I don't wear yet.
I may have to my boy go Travis.
Travis?
I mean, Travis and some other friend that I go full of vibes and so on. I'm not serious, babe. A long time I go spend good time with my friend, you know.
Alright, fine. And I just because I know you're stressed. But you have to promise me so you go behave yourself.
Of course.
You're not going to know what you're not supposed to do.
My sister, man.
I'm
alone, baby.
I'm away for you. So don't stay on.
My relationship come like a cartel and see them.
No, so man.
I go. Alright, come help me look for some clothes so I can wear go later.
I like that. You know me can just come babe. You know what? You sit down. We find a something for here. Alright. So, what about
you know,
this?
it's a long time I wear that picture.
Yeah. I'm always like seeing it for the first time, remember? You can wear this. I'm gonna go find something to do. And the kind of time kind of chill. I mean, why you catch no cool.
I think I have to go for extra tonight.
No, you have to represent me. You understand?
Yeah, I really don't want to go so fussy. They might date me like, they might just not like me.
But like that, come to this. But like the rose.
Like I said, I like me and you, when me and you go, I love something, I love this jacket or something.
Alright, let's put that one side. It's about this.
Yes, it's a shirt.
Yeah, but like this. So you say you wear that?
Yeah, I wear this.
So you will get ready now?
Yeah, I go be there and get ready.
Alright, what about you?
Say you want to go up shower.
Come on.
Enjoy party, man.
I tell us that a long time I go out on a bad boy.
I feel it's the best place to forward, you know. When I go on, sir. Yo, we don't know if we own the kind of no one can take, one can take, you know.
You know what you are take?
Me not take nothing. I go you take. Oh, Tana, you see you? Yo, bad boy. You there come like a style now. You want me over here?
I like you, you know.
Well, I like it too, you know. You say I'm going on.
I hope you not play with me, you know.
No, I'm not playing with you. You look like Ty from play with you.
See, I'm not dash with it. I'm here for there with long time, you know.
Of course.
You know, see how vibes right.
Yeah, not the man they are informer, you know, because that man they know no woman, you know. And they know no woman, and all the work, you know.
A woman you worry about. Your woman can't whine for you like this.
Yeah, they're easy, you know. But we are doing now, because they don't know already, so I'm rate already. And I have my bridge in the part right now in a Travis. You understand? Because I never rate him over there, so turn up with you and I talk and so.
Travis. Travis is an old dirty dog. But it's alright, it's good stills. I all heard that for a long time, man. But
yeah, man, Travis good, man.
But what you say I go on between me and you?
As I don't tell you at the bar already, say me rate you, me have a rating for you.
Yeah, but after this, where you take it to? Listen to me, high, you know. Me high, but guess what? Me see that sense here, me say. Well, when I take it from here, so, and bring it to the other level, what you mean?
Alright, so you want to start on a serious relationship.
Yeah,
I
and
mean,
me have
I
to
mean, I
deal
want
with.
if it sink.
So you say.
What you want we do now?
And me have it. Me I come on with you.
No, sister man. You can't do that.
What you mean, me have to say some man?
Me don't talk I bar a while ago. Me I tell her say my woman there yard, so me can't bring her home with me. We have to sort out that for one next time. Me can't
What's
bring her
one
woman
question?
now.
What you do with she?
She a spend money for me. And me can spend some for you too.
Oh, me like that. Me work with you.
So no worry, so you have my
Me
number,
okay.
me give me number already. So just call me.
Yo.
Huh?
How long have you been there, sir?
Already
Brother,
there now.
come
Already
in,
there.
man. You see you.
Come on.
And I like you love to extend things, you know, say man things to me. You know. And you come from so. Come on, dad. Dad, come on. Forward, man.
Later.
Alright, later. Go ahead, Dirty Chavis. Stop my food.
Yo, you see me now? You see me rolling, you know? And if me go drop.
Nice girl, huh?
No, but I'm going like you want drop. Yo, you are going. No make she mash up your relationship. Yeah. As much as things be, take her one knock and move. You understand? Nobody going like you want steady in a relationship. I mean, you say you love a boy, you know. You love kiss and hug up and missionary. You understand me I say?
But me feel a vibe for her still, you know?
Yeah, vibes always go there for woman because we are man and we love woman. And she's a nice girl. You understand?
Yeah,
but
that I say so what me can have something serious with her.
Alright, listen me I say, me bring you a road. Me now make them say I'm me mash up your thing in your yard. Can you have to say me a dirty man already? You understand? Because me just love enjoy life. Me you know, I roll on the street and thing, you know, I serious thing like it, I serious. Yo,
wait.
I have a big girl from the car, yo, we always dream to go out with it, you know, brother. I'm the best man in the world.
She want to come with me, you know?
Come on with the backside, eh? Come on with who?
So, me one time I could have, if you want to then chop there, you feel like I could have go call her.
Yeah, go your yard now. Yeah, I'm calling one for you.
No.
I'm calling for you.
Come on.
Brother, you have to know if you stop and run for roll, man. You understand me? I introduce you to the streets, you know. You have to hold it. Because push come and shove. You know, you don't want to get too caught.
What are you?
I'm good, babe. I'm good.
You're not good.
I'm good, man. I'm good.
You like you're drunk.
No, man, baby, man. Alright, man.
You're not sweat.
I heat, man, so I didn't know a jacket, baby. I heat.
So why you go out and drink so much rum?
You must say, well, we play football tonight, and a long time I don't go out and so just go out and enjoy myself, baby.
We never have to drink so much rum, B.
Of course, I must say, no, we normally go out 3 rounds and so when me drink now, you know, so I'll 7 me want to go.
That one, yeah. So come get into it now.
Sure.
In a long time, why ya?
Come on, I tell her say welcome here. Get right here.
The place nice, man.
Yeah, easy, you know.
This is nice, so.
Nice like you know.
Yeah, thanks. How for place? For your woman.
We don't need to talk about that, right? You just want to know say we're there and we have a happy time. She's not there, so just make we have a useful time, useful things outside.
May I ask you one question? a fair place or a fair place?
I say, I don't want to answer that
I
question.
wonder if I know I'm sick.
You have COVID?
Watch out, someone tell this a thing of a joke thing you want.
What kind of sick you talk about?
My head no right in.
So we are the
So I don't want to ask one question and you ask me back a question like say I go here try grow on the thing. I ask one question and answer if you answer it.
As me say, I don't want to answer that. You understand? And that you come to ask me. You ask me for show me place. We have a good time, man. Talk about something different. We don't have to talk about a place. Does who for place is important, that's important.
You play video game too?
Yeah, I might comfort that, you know.
I play it too.
But just take time out, take it slow and just talk and try and make things connect the right way.
Yes, you want to take things slow?
Yeah, we don't want to move too fast. Like a need for speed business.
I'm a good girl, you know. Enough girl now come and suck on the way me I do right now. And I appreciate you bring me in you and your wife house, whatever for your house. That don't really matter to me. So my sister you really rate me more than how you rate she. A matter of fact, you like you love me too. Love me more, you love she.
That's a code, man. But anyways, I don't really want to get too comfortable because, you know, so my wife would live so forward, so don't go up on the street.
Go up on the street, come on. In the bedroom we are go, come.
Let me put me in.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
You like that though?
Baby, you give me.
I like a 360 day. Ever.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Just come rub up my neck. You can't rub it for me?
Of course.
Please. My neck.
So I get the pain now, really.
You know, like, when I did one patient, but he heavy, man. So you kind of put one strain, like.
Gosh. I think I did sleep,
Right,
but funny
and
though.
they feel nice. Try.
Think I did sleep bad pain, I think I did that really. Oh.
You buy one new cologne or something?
No, I'm not buying no new cologne, I'm making upset.
Yeah. Something nice.
What do you mean?
I smell. Wait now. Why you do all of that?
No,
I
but you
smell,
tell me say you want me rub it for you.
I smell something. They smell like a female cologne. Somebody went there with you today?
No, me alone today. What do you mean by that pink? What do you mean by that bee?
Oh, you come here like that?
No, me say what you mean by that bee?
You said pink. You not try to say pinky?
No, never that me I try to say.
Much ears me I don't know, baby.
Bee,
Much ears me I there.
With the long now, like actually 3 years.
You ever call me no woman name yet?
No, I'm never calling no
Me
woman
ever
name.
call you no man name yet?
Never.
Why you just call me?
No, it's a mistake.
You never make a mistake for me, there.
So where I try to say like,
No, when you are trying to say, why you just call me?
babe.
You never call me that. You take me for a dum-dum.
No, me that try. Me that go.
No, a dum-dum you take me for?
Be me just that try to rhyme up here and me just say something with the color pink. But me name bother say it because me say no make no
I
sense.
must look like Pinky and the brain to be. Listen, I'm tell you something. Why you just call me? You know what? Save it. You forgot who me be? I must find
Babe,
out.
come here now. You
Don't
say you want me
call
rub.
me had a shape to bump chum. I call Marka. Marka, what? I tell you, yeah. But no, we never really like, you know, never really so close, but I want to ask you one question. You remember Pinky? Yes, tall, slim. Yeah, man, your sister me at all, yeah. Well, I say for now. Oh, other day. Where she work again? Cause it's like somebody that asked me about her and about like, but could I give them the information coming on so sure that I ask you. Yeah. Oh, then a Peaches bar. Bartender. Alright, thanks. Yeah, man, everything good, girl, you know, man. We will talk later. We see how work are release. No yourself. Alright, thanks.
Yeah, Travis, my father now.
Hello. Where you go?
Me go on the road.
Where me you go on the road? Hello, me need to talk to you. Sit down.
So you be
No. Me know say you never see me this way before. Where you just saw a while ago? Ask you a question. Which bar you go last night? Which bar you go?
No Peaches bar, babe. So make you laugh.
No, sir. You don't know who you deal with, that's true. You don't know who you deal with.
Of course, my wife.
Don't touch me. You sick me. Who name Pinky?
Who name Pinky?
Stop play dumb with me.
But me never say Pinky, me say
name Pinky. A Pinky you say. Who name Pinky? Is that right? But make a call. The same Pinky we got linked with last night? At the same Peaches bar?
Babe, me and Travis go a party.
Yeah, who are in Travis? You forgot to know who Travis be?
No,
you
me and
link Edwin
Travis and
you
virgin them. Me never go there for no Pinky.
So how you call
me
me
see the
Pinky?
bartender, me not even know what she name. Who a bartender? Me don't know her. At first, me I saw the bartender there.
What the bartender name?
Me don't know. Me never asked
How
because
she look?
that no concern
How she
me.
look?
Me don't remember.
Cha!
Yeah.
Stop lying.
Nah,
Stop lying
but
to
me
me.
don't remember that.
You know what I'm
Why me I go keep memories of other girl face in my head? Are you alone more remember about baby?
I don't really want to cry make you see me like I don't want you to take me for yourself so. You know, so I just meet you and never used to stay like this. And you take time to stay for you just take time to change for you start me. The little dirty man named Travis. Who named Pinky? Last time I asked you. It's alright, I go find out who. I think I just said only just start here.
Yo,
Oh, go on.
what will you have going with you?
Hi, youth. Right now, me in a deep situation, youth.
You mean deep situation? What kind of causes?
Youth. You know, say, Pinky come on me other day.
Bombard, man,
No,
bingo!
man, no, if you laugh, man. Easy, man, no, if you laugh, but man.
So-
Easy,
so-
star, man.
So what's that? That was she no good?
No, watch you know, it's great.
Oh,
But look, you know, to how it's great, it make my head all a shake like an earthquake. Cause watch you know, my woman, me and her talk not too long and me a reminisce on the good things that me and Pinky do. Cause me meet you know. I mean, not talk no fist up business, me a talk in a bed business.
Me no must know about that. Cause we're in a jail and there.
Me go make mistake and call my woman Pinky.
What they
Right now, a hell and problem over there.
But for you,
And she tell me.
Hold on, man. Calm down, bro. Yo, you move. Yo, just relax, man.
I hate
For your woman is not a bad woman. She not gonna do nothing but just talk.
I tell her.
She
And she had chuck me down in the city and something.
chuck it down. What do you mean chuck it down?
My good wife like she gone bad.
A lie you tell me.
I'm not telling a lie.
So she chuck you.
Chuck me in the
So
city.
all this time she have that rage in her.
Right now she not over there, you know.
How we gone?
She left gone, so she have to find out who this Pinky.
Jesus Christ.
She make a call and come back and ask me, say, where the bar there? When me go other day, what your name?
You don't tell her?
What you mean,
Oh, you
Pinky?
can tell her you're mad somebody?
But you don't know already.
No, she don't know from you. I confirm everything with her right, yes, bro.
You see me tell her?
Mm.
She get mad. Come like if she could have give me a box, she do it again.
Right, hey, alright, you might say. She don't know, say, I want to make carry out there, at bar.
She knows say I mean you go out there.
No, me ask you a question, answer my question. She knows, say, I'm me and you when carry got that the bar there?
Yeah.
Bombard.
Because she all say Travis.
My name call again?
Yeah. Like, me don't know, like, me don't know how she had thought, like, she had make it sound like you're just dangerous.
I don't mean she have found to come look for.
Because
Cause that no sound like I want.
If you see her, just hide. Right now, a problem you.
Brother, how you
you
call it?
you-
How you call it, woman?
you make me do it.
What you mean for me? Don't do that.
What you mean? You can't go a party?
I mean, hold your foot and bring you go a party. Eh? Me tie you by a rope and hang your hand and say party. No, you walk your foot on a party and hang like a big dog. Eh? Smoke and all them sitting there. And go find woman. And me make you find woman. And you find her.
Not the party so
Eh?
loud on the road, you.
Bro, I'm tell you this, man. You have to take up responsibility. But you can't take my name
You
out
just
of
grab my mind, you with that.
So
Leave a conscience
alright.
and woman attack
What you
me.
plan to do? That is the big. What you plan to do?
I'm planning to do me all I wonder if I don't at the bar, she gone. You know if I don't at the bar, she gone, you.
So you want to go down there? Go check it and see what going on?
Yeah, we have to go do that. But remember say if me glimpse her, I have to go hide it. Or, no.
Are you weird? You go on that bar.
So,
Call me if you see her. I don't feel a problem. I don't mind.
No, but I mean,
You go down at the bar. We just go on. If you see her, you see her. Don't call me. But if you don't see her, you call me and say, yo, rope in cause I know that I go on. You understand?
right now. Yo, me link here, man.
Yeah, man. Do you think, man? But tell her I say I never miss.
Yo, I don't want to hear nothing.
I never miss if you do it.
Hello. Okay. Are you the same one? Are you named Pinky?
How you want?
Why are you in a dealings with my man, boat?
Hey.
What kind of dealings? Yeah, my man Ina.
You mean what kind of dealings in a man and woman supposed to in a?
What kind of dealings you and David Ina?
What kind of dealings man and woman supposed to in a?
Hey, I one of them breads one day. Well, I said tonight, you better prepare, cause I bust me go bust up egg. Yeah, come here.
What do you? Come on.
Yo, now going to knock here.
What make? I was so urgent. But you
Girl.
call me again.
When I see me as so, you know say something serious. Now for your dirty foot friend, or what down a nursing place.
Who you talk? Tavia?
Yes.
What you mean?
You say me there want run bar. Just in time me I step out and I see me body. You know me walk already boss when me I drink my herb.
Yeah, get 3 pints, Pinky.
Mama step in, ready for attack me. Take
Tavia?
up big stone. I tell you I can't talk about Tavia before me I take out off me ignorance prior to you know. Take up big stone, seal off of me girl, me say so when me good down. And me said so, and go back so, and dive again and skate again for me belly girl and up good. Hey, yo, your friend a ramp with me badness, you know. Then girl don't know me, you know.
But you tell me say Tavia come stone you, right? Why Tavia come and stone you?
So me I take her man.
So you take her man?
I mean, take girl man brawling. No
Then-
apology. What you talk about?
Then she have all right to come and store now.
What you mean by she have all right?
Because you take her man, if
Listen
you
to
never
me.
got trouble to come at your doorstep.
Yeah. Man, just trouble. I come like you don't know me I know. Me just want to make you know say no. I know me pushy badness this time. I saw girl come on me front step and come pushy badness.
Listen to me. You're not gonna do nothing about it because you wrong.
Who not gonna know
Me no
about
want
it?
no problem.
Come like a sicky, come like you don't know me. I girl say they depend.
No, me not
I
depend.
girl say they depend Marika.
Me don't depend on her side, pink.
So you don't know me.
Me know you, but you need to relax.
You know why me run? Me run because I can't bother with tonight. Tonight is a perfect night for me. And this girl come broke the vibes. Eh?
Listen, come on, we are going.
Come on, where?
So where you are going?
Yo, we badness just a start. And that me I tell you.
Relax.
Come in.
Relax yourself. If you never go take a girl man, this would happen right now.
I'm saying no apology. What you gonna do about
You
that?
could have found one man for yourself.
Eh?
You could have found one man for yourself. You have to take
You know, hear song where Mackerel sing. Take people, man. You know, hear about it? A people, man, me and they will know. Because when girl take me, man, they don't have no apology for me. So let me tell you something.
It's okay.
Any girl, man, me take, and they say they brawling. No test. And that me I say. You understand? And me just want to make you know, say badness just a start. Understand?
I understand, but guess what? Anything with you, I don't care. You hear?
Go talky girl. Short girl.
Who you talk to? Alright, watch me and you. I want to reach a yard before you lock me and lock you up. Watch me and you. Watch. What is wrong? What is drama? What you want?
What's over this? Come to help us. 2.1. I'm murder that I charge that. Me not come in your car.
Don't worry yourself.
Lock me out if I want to lock me out. Charge you murder.
Don't.
That's about great time.
You know some figure? You know some figure?
Yeah, man, just make you know so me I go on the road. But
So you tell me family no care?
really no. And if me did just walk out like that and not tell you that will cause
Yo.
some problem.
We don't care. At this point, when we reach, we don't care.
So we know our relationship ain't not care about me.
You know ask some figure? You want the whole neighborhood hear me bitch what? You know ask some figure?
So if me tip out and something happen to me, you don't care. Alright, me I go on the road.
Leave.
Sorry.
Anything you want to do, man, because if you want a hotel, you know, or if you want to go on one night, come back.
Of course.
Because more and me, if it, it's not say, me don't want me and we youth to go on somewhere, but sometimes you have to make them go a grandma. I will just extend myself and, you know, build back.
Of course,
Right?
of course.
You know, me look already, so.
Yeah, but baby,
Mm.
you know say, whatever go for the one TV, you know. And when the girl did that for a reason.
Mm.
And then she said one bag of things about you, you know, women I like, you know.
But me,
Of course,
like what, say what?
Travis, the Travis you're there with.
You really,
Babe, listen to me. A full time, you know. Get a grip of yourself and top grow on certain people.
me think I
Understand?
I bet she like me. That, you know. And she knows that me don't have no.
Hey, you know, say, up personal, you can't say that, you know. She can never like you, you know.
So why she not talk about me like that?
I would like to know.
How because me and David are virgin. Me and David are virgin and the one little time me and David go out and thing.
All I pain. And David God, you know, I'm glad for. Yes, you come straight home to me. No other girl, no, say a wife, not the done life.
Oh, you mean? I tell you, man.
Period, poor. Glad to see I'm a proud of that. You understand?
Not like
But-
one woman
Of course.
can make a man what them claim say a street dog.
Yeah.
change.
Of course. And I mean that. Who I feel like the president.
What me don't like how TV I talk about me still.
That's why I must say, get a work for yourself, stop going certain people, and may have a time together.
What I want to do. Hello?
Hey, Travis. What? Atavia, man.
It's gonna take a little time. Just go sit and see if you can start the breakfast.
Of course, baby, sure.
Some give me 1 second. So just go deal with it.
Yeah.
And then come up.
You
Yeah.
think, you know?
Alright, babes. Boy. Jiggle. Boy. Hello? How you get my number?
Don't worry about that. We had a question before me get your number. Stop worry about that. Anyways, you know, some more and talk to you about something.
What?
But that woman, just come check me.
Come on.
Hurry up, you know.
Alright, maybe see. Maybe try to see if we can come for me to go upstairs. Go up in that house there. Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Are they sound serious? Cause you know normally. Alright.
Come in now. Like what can I use to the place? Why you looking like that? Come sit down.
So we leave it then.
We had ask for David. David done a word.
No, but you tell me.
Stop worry yourself now. You're going like you're not used to me.
You still like, oh, don't do that.
Stop it now, Travis. You're used to me. You come here already. You come here, me cook food and me give you. So stop going to man.
You know, so right before you call me and for me look a shot you talk and you talk about me say me's a whore and you know feel good because things I'm used to do back then, me now do them now.
I never said that to know.
What?
I said there's a lover boy. Why you behave like that?
No, because you come on to me like, you know.
Me that come on to you, me just touch you.
No, but you remember, you know, you're sexy and I'm something else, so me really have to stay far.
What you say?
No, but let know. If David who actually do it right now.
David gone. You continue to talk about David. If we didn't want to deal with David, but I call David for come. Are you my call? We need to talk.
Alright, talk.
Anyways. So, I'm not too good with words and I rather show you. No matter why you get comfortable, I'm gonna go in that little room right there and change and put on something for you. Stop playing hard, man.
So what, my birthday today?
Anything you want, Carl.
No, sir.
Seriously, you're done for that? I'm gonna put on something nice for you.
Like dance and jiggle or something.
Everything, anything you want.
You always start to get excited.
Don't worry yourself, I got you. Just relax me, I come.
It's great, it's a long time.
We
You
ain't
get that
no
thing
man that do all
about
of that.
you.
Hey, ciao, that's we ain't no man. Yeah. May I come here?
Alright.
Okay. You like greasy?
What do you mean?
Yeah. I picked this one just for you.
You
You want to touch?
and we can
Yeah,
touch.
go ahead.
Yo.
So, that's what my ask you do.
What's that?
I want to stand up so you can see me. Figure.
Yeah, me like it.
Yeah.
Like it, love it.
So, which bar you carry David go last night?
Huh?
You hear me? Which bar you carry David go last night?
Me not can't even go to a bar.
You mean you carry David go bar?
Me and David say one go to a bar, I can't.
Say you
I'm
carry
following.
him?
No, David and a baby, nothing. Me hold him on my hand and carry him go to a bar. What you talking about? David a big man.
Say you can't go Peaches bar last night?
Alright, listen. Me no carry him go to Peaches bar. Him go to Peaches bar. Because we are past the bar and then he say we want to go to a drink. So what wrong with stopping at a bar? I don't understand. What is this for?
Who name Pinky? Oh! Your face droppy? Only and Pinky?
Pinky worked on a Peaches bar.
Okay. So what kind of dealings David and Pinky in?
She's a cashier, she served.
Stop play dumb with me. You know everything.
Like what?
You see man like you? A whoring man like you? They deserve to sit down. They deserve to be on the earth. So you know what go happen now? We're gonna kill you!
To subscribe is free. You subscribe here.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Heart signed and sealed. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. Years, tears. Now I know what it means. You coulda call it quits and what? So easy for you find a rich man, but it's clear that is not your plan. You choose me for who I am. Cause when nothing I want and the bills them pile up, you still hold on. We never get the blessing from your mother or your father. You still hold on. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. Look at us now, all grown up and you're still in love with me. Oh baby girl, you blaze my fire and you know how to cool my flames. Only you, baby. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't